Hello and welcome back to my Pennsylvania Zone 6B garden, where today I'm going to finally start pruning my panicle hydrangeas. We're going to be working in the back garden today. I don't have too much time, but I really wanted to get out in between rainstorms and start pruning up some hydrangeas. Here is the first hydrangea that I'm going to prune, and I see that I still have the tag on it, so let's see what this specifically is. So this is a little lime hydrangea, and you can see right here it says a panicle hydrangea, and any tag that says panicle hydrangea, that's when you know that you can cut these in the early spring, late winter. The blooms will grow off of new wood, so it is safe to cut. All right, I want to show you an example of buds and how to prune your hydrangea. I'm going to be pretty aggressive when I prune these hydrangeas to really size control them. So I'm going to take them back at least by a third. So you can see right here are all these little buds. And pruning a hydrangea could not be easier. All you want to do is you want to cut above a set of buds. So if I wanted to prune it down to about here, I would cut right here, or there's another little set of buds right there, I would cut right there. So that's all I'm going to do. I'm going to work my way around. I'm going to remove any crossing branches. I could remove all this spindly stuff, but guess what? I'm doing it the Jen way. So I'm not going to be doing that. I just want to get these size controlled for today. I'm not going to worry about anything else. And anything crossing, you can see right here. Okay, so right here is a broken branch, so that just came off. So we'll throw that over there. And there are crossing branches right here. So when they start growing, you can see in the wind, they're going to start doing this and touching each other. And that could be a bad thing because it could actually open up the bark and it can cause a wound, and then you can get disease or insects or stuff like that. So that's why when you are pruning anything, you want to make sure that you are removing any crossing branches. Okay, let's go ahead and get started. It feels so good to be outside, even though it's a little chilly. Okay, so you can see that I did cut it down by a third. Now there are a whole bunch of little spindly twigs. You technically could remove all them, but I, again, am not going to do that. All right, let's go over to this one. Okay, this one doesn't need as much size control. I already lost one glove, it's over there. But I am just gonna give it a little bit of a prune. all done with that little Bobo hydrangea. I didn't do too much, just a little bit. A little bit of a cleanup and a tidy. Let me show you a closer view of where exactly I'm pruning. Okay. There's a whole bunch of buds right here. So above each set of buds is where I can prune. So I'm going to prune that one right down to there. Let's do another example. Buds, 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 buds. Right there. And that is all I am doing, just cutting right above a little bud. Lastly, I have these hydrangeas right here. Not quite sure what variety these are. I will have to dig through my garden journal to see if I can find it, but this is going to be the same process. Now these are, they're really going to need thinned out and probably transplanted, but I'm not going to worry about that today. I'm just going to worry about cutting back the hydrangea blooms. Okay, got these all pruned up. I need to do a lot more pruning on stuff, but I'm just trying to focus on hydrangeas today. It is getting pretty windy out here. The sun is going down and I'm out of time. We have to go to an appointment. So I hope that you found this information helpful. Please let me know down in the comments what kind of spring cleanup you're starting to do where you are. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.